everybody, welcome to Diamond's Beauties. So today we're going to be doing how to refresh your braids after you did them. And yes, it is expensive to go do it again. And plus I did a video on how to do 3-layer feed-in braids. Go check it out. But I don't have time to redo my hair and all that stuff, and plus I'm pregnant, so it's like really overwhelming. So but I'm gonna show you how to refreshen these braids. So today we're gonna use Extreme Line. I seen this with another YouTuber and I loved it after I seen her review. I think her name is Hazel something, but I will leave it in the description box for you. I use Sulfur 8. I have a little dandruff and my hair do itch, but it's so soothing to use this with your braids. And then I'm going to have a scarf. And then I'm going to have my favorite edge control is Edge Booster. I love this. A toothbrush for your edges, girl, because you know you got to get slicked. And a rubber band, because I'm planning on like pinning it up some type of way so it won't be in my face today. And today, guys, is the 4th of July. Yay! So yes, I really don't have time to do my hair. So let's get this video popping and let's get this together. So my first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my hair with the Sulfur 8. Spray it down, and then I put my fingers through it just to work it through. My hair is frizzy because I don't like this. I didn't really, trust me guys, if you're pregnant you'll be like, let's get this over with, let me get my hair done so I don't have to worry about this. With this pregnancy I had, you could go check my updated pregnancies down below too, because my pregnancy has been tough. But I'm gonna take some of this extreme extreme gel, and then I'm just gonna apply it everywhere so it won't be too frizzy. So you could be like, girl, look like you, well, it won't look like you just got your hair done, but it will look close enough. Let me know if anybody allergies been really terrible this year. Like my allergy, it could be just because I'm pregnant. My allergies been terrible this year for some reason. So but hey, whatever. No, we just put it just to, you know, get the flyaways, you know, lay down and slick down. I'm just gonna put a whole bunch on here because I'm not planning on redoing this until it's time for me to wash this. So you want to get the back, and this is how my back look right now. I'm going to put some more on the back. just to lay the hair down. You could flip up the hair so you can lay it down in the back, well, on this side. Just put it like this. Lay it down. And the one thing I like about this gel is that it doesn't flake up. So, and previous to this, I did not use gel. I used jam. So go check out that video. I just keep putting layers and layers and layers, because I am going out in the heat. So, and I got kids, so that's exactly what I do. This is how I do it. And then before everything, you look at it like, okay, we still got to do the edges, girl. Come on now. We can't go nowhere without our edges and looking on fleek, okay? So I was planning on doing my hair either like this. I think I want to do it like this, so it won't be in my face and irritate me. So I'm gonna get a rubber band. Oops. I'm gonna get a rubber band. Just one rubber band. And I'm gonna do this. I just do that so it can look all cute and stuff. And then you can actually put, like, you know, tuck it. Yeah, put like, like that. So you see my edges and stuff is like everywhere. So I'm just gonna get my toothbrush and my edge booster, and then I'm just gonna put some, I always put some on the brush, and then I'm gonna put some on my edges. And just, you know, nothing too fancy. Because I know a lot of people like to leave their edges out when they do their braids, but to me, once it gets old, your edges tend to come out anyway. So I just do this, refresh this, and then I just swoop. It don't have to be like, I know a lot of people struggle with their edges and stuff, but to me, it don't have to be perfect. As long as it's all look like I did something. That's all that matters to me. I could do one side better than the other for some reason. And then once I put on my scarf, look, this is what came out. So you just want to get some gel and just tuck that back. And this too. And then I just, what I do, I just rub it down and do it like that. Because as soon as you put the scarf on, it's going to mold itself anyway. So it was just cute, but I didn't mess with it, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. Some days I could do fleeky edges, and some days I don't. And I still feel like it's not enough gel. I don't know why, but I'm gonna put some more on the top just in case. And I think that's about it. And then that is it. It's really simple. Like, do not take your hair down. You can even wash it and redo it. But my hair wasn't too bad with the flaking or anything, so I just put gel on top of it. And then and plus I have to leave in, like, it's a rush, so I have to leave in a few hours. So I just put this scarf on. I put it on maybe a little tight because you do want your flyaways to, you know, mend itself so it won't be too looking crazy. So, bam. It's all nice and done. You can even sit underneath the dryer, but I don't have time for that. I want to get ready, and then I will come back to you in another one. We're going to see how this look, and we're going to go from there. All right, bye.